everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 26 of 31-day series of how to get your yarn stash more organized for the upcoming year. So this idea is based on that canister idea that we saw a few days ago. Before I was showing you the canister idea that utilized either coffee cans or oatmeal cans, and those were really cute, but I love this idea so much more. So this looks like cut off pieces of PVC pipe. Now PVC pipe you could get in various sizes, which to me would make this idea even better. Now in this photo they're using all the same size pipe and it's all stacked up so that it kind of makes like a wall of yarn. There's actually some canister wheels on the bottom of it so that you could move this little wall of yarn all over the place. I think it's a gorgeous backdrop. I think it's a great way to divide a room. Maybe you have a big space and you don't use all of it for your craft corner. So this might be a really neat way to make a division wall. But I would absolutely utilize other sizes of PVC pipe for different things, different sizes of yarns. Like you've got your super bulky yarn, but you've also got your lace weight. So you could have all different sizes on here, making a beautiful, colorful wall of yarn that you could move anywhere you wanted. The best thing about PVC pipe is it's very light, so it would also make it super easy to move this around. I love this idea. I wish I had a bigger house so that I could utilize it. I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're enjoying all of the videos in this series. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this content and if you'd like to see more of it. Until tomorrow, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow with another great idea. Bye-bye.